Crossio and welcome to another video. In this video I am going to be unboxing Coffin Couture by Glitterbels. Now I have several of their acrylics and I really like them, and so I wanted to try out their gels, and it works out much cheaper getting them when they release these gift boxes. So this is £35 on their website, and this will be me unboxing it, swatching it and giving my views on what I think. So this is what it came like. It's cute little bats on the side, and it says Coffin Couture. Oh, that was my dog. So we take the sleeve off, and then we have this box here which says Glitterbels by Annabelle. It's a very nice box with a magnetic opening flap. So we open it, and then we have this which just says a little bit about the collection, and it comes with 6 vampy shades. And then this is their swatches that they have done, but we will be doing our own. And then inside we have 6 gel polishes. Now these are 8mm gel polishes, so not very big, they're quite little. It's probably because they are part of a box. So we have Graceful Grey, so that's what it looks like out of the bottle. Then we have Magical Moments, then we have Purple Velvet, next is One More Bite, then we have After Midnight, and then we have Cherry Chapstick. That's a very nice colour. So I'm just going to move this box out of the way. We'll get the swatch sticks and we will swatch them. So starting from the last one, Cherry Chapstick, this is what it looks like on top of the bottle. Now I haven't been skimpy. This gel polish will definitely need, as you can see, excuse that, I've been colouring. This gel polish will definitely need 2 coats. So the next one is After Midnight. again, a super nice colour, but again we'll need 2 coats. Then the next one is One More Bite. Sorry, that's my dog that you can hear. He's up, sat on the windowsill like a cat. Getting ready to bark at goodness knows what that he can see out there. So a bit more of a darker red. Again, we'll need 2 coats. Okay, so the next one we have is Purple Velvet. And that is that one. Again, we'll need 2 coats. Okay, so next one is Magical Moments. There's that one. And then the last one we have got is Graceful Grey. There it is. So I am just going to give all of these a second coat because they need it, and I will be back, guys. Okay, so I am back from swatching these colours. I will say this one here, Cherry Chapstick, is a bit thinner than these ones. I like the consistency of these gels. I personally just find this one a little bit thin because I put on 2 coats, I wasn't skimpy, and well, you know, I would say you may even need 3 coats if you're quite light-handed with it. So this one is on the thinner side, but apart from that they all went on really nice and smooth, streak free, and then after curing I had like no bubbles or creases or like cracks or anything like that in them. So I will get the swatches for you now. Oh gosh, I need to cough. Sorry about that. So we're starting with Cherry Chapstick, and this is what the swatch looks like on the card that they gave us, and here it is. So even after 2 quite thick coats, you can see it is fine down here, but at the top here where you've got this little lip, you can see my skin through it a bit, which is why I said that it was on the thin side. And up next to the swatch, it's pretty similar, to be fair. It's a nice colour red, I do like it, but as I said, it is a bit on the thin side. So the next colour we have is After Midnight, and here it is next to the swatch. Very, very similar. I do like it. It is a nice colour purple. Then the next one we have is One More Bite, and here it is next to the swatch. Very similar, much more on the browner side. Again, very, very nice. It does have a number 3 on. I just put it on the wrong side. So next we have Purple Velvet, and if I can bring the swatch up close enough for you to see, like it's meant to have like a fine like shimmer to it. So here it is next to the swatch, very, very close. I really, really like this colour, super. And if my camera can focus, maybe make the light a bit more on it. There is a shimmer there, as you can see, but it is incredibly subtle. I would have probably liked that shimmer to be a little bit more prominent than what it is, because like from a distance like this you can't tell at all. Then the next one we have is Magical Moments, which again on the swatch has like that shimmery look to it. Here it is next to the swatch, very, very accurate. And it is a nice dark red. Try and bring it up close enough so you can see that slight shimmer. And then the last one we have is Graceful Grey. Here it is next to the swatch. Again, very, very similar. Very, very nice. So yeah, what do I think? I really, really do like them. They are on the thinner side, especially this red one. They were, as I said, they went on Wondeful, and they are all humour free, which is fantastic. But these two like shimmery ones here, I would have liked the shimmer to have been a little bit more prominent. And personally, I think these two shades and these two shades are just a tiny bit too similar. Like maybe these two here, just to have had them just a tiny bit brighter, because they kind of, especially if you remove this one and have these three, like they're incredibly similar. So yeah, maybe this purple one a tiny bit brighter and this one a tiny bit brighter, and it would have been perfect. So out of my rating out of 5, for this one being a bit on the thin side, maybe they need to tweak the recipe and the things that I've pointed out, I would give for this a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Yeah, I really like it, and I think getting these little bottles when they're on offer, when they have these boxes, is a good way to try out the collection. And yeah, as I said, I really, really do like them. This purple one here, this grey and this cherry chapstick, I can actually see myself buying in bigger bottles. So that is my view on the Glitterbels Coffin Couture Halloween Gel collection. I hope you enjoyed. There will be links in my description box below for my Etsy store, because I'm now selling press-on nails. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye!